Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique, and I have an unboxing for you today. Yes, I've got this big box from JoAnns, so I'm going to do this unboxing right here for you. So you'll have to excuse me, I am in my bathrobe, so I hope you don't mind that. Didn't sleep real well last night, and so I've just been hanging out in my bathrobe today. It's been real cold and windy. So, okay, hope I'm in frame. This box is so big. Came in the mail earlier, and I'm waiting to open it. I'm hoping I've got y'all in frame. Okay. You know, they send these great big boxes and then they put all this paper. I always save all this paper, roll it up. Put that over there. That's what it's filled with, paper. They sent me paper. Oh my gosh, I wonder why they use this big old box. I didn't need this big old box for this. This is crazy. Okay. Alrighty, so, well, I'm hitting the camera and I apologize. We got this. Or I can paint this. Little wood sign. I think what I'll probably do is put our name on this. This will be real cute. Okay. And let's see. Oh, this is probably why they put, and they kind of bent it even though they put this in there. This was their Christmas clearance, that and this. And this is so big, I don't even know if I can get it in there. Hold it back like that. The Christmas tree farm sign, isn't that cute? It's real cute. Real thin though. Goodness gracious. I think I got it on clearance. I would have never paid full price for this. It's almost like it's cut out like a stencil. This thing would snap. It's just so thin. It's much thinner than this piece. But yeah, it's almost bent a little bit. And then, oh yay, they sent me another one. Oh, did they send me everything? I don't think they sent me everything. This is not everything, so I think they still have to send me some stuff. Yeah, I still have some stuff out. This is not everything. Because I know there's more planner stuff. I ordered a lot more planner stuff. Here are the Happy Planner folders. And some of the really thin purple washi. I'm gonna like using using that. That's really thin washi. I love this thin washi. I don't have a whole lot of it. Especially this. This is super thin. And then I've been trying forever to get one of these sticker books. What to do with my knife? Having a hard time standing here. But this is the little sticker pad. And I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. To use in my happy planner. So I finally found one. So yay, now I got some Valentine stickers. That's pretty. There's Patrick's Day. So now I finally got one that I can use, and it was marked down too, so that was even better. Less Mondays, more summer. So yeah, this is like all the different holidays and stuff. Real cute stickers, and it's all like boxes. So that's what I was wanting. Grateful for, Merry and Bright, wish list. So that's what those are. So I'm so happy I finally got this. My first little mini sticker book. I hope I can get some more. And so I should be having some more planner stuff coming. Because I ordered a bunch of the Miss Maker. Since everything was on sale. But this is what they sent me so far. So this is this one. Give me all the washi. And there's this one. This one. Craftiness is happiness. It sure is. Happiness is handmade. Yep. I like that one. And then we're back to that one. So that's those. And like I said, when I get the rest of the stuff, I will show you that. And I'll show you my planner when I get it. Like I said, I'm waiting for all the stuff to set up my planner. And I'll show you how it's all set up. And I guess I can show you like my old planner. We can do like a flip through if you'd like to see that. Because I really haven't done I think I did like just a little bit of a flip through, but I can go back and do a flip through if you'd like to see one. But yeah, that's it. That's all they sent me so far. But I was impressed that I got this already, because I just ordered the stuff over the weekend, I believe it was. So yeah, maybe the other stuff will come later this week, because that was pretty fast. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll show you what the other stuff when I get it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video coming up soon. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye now.